Hello everyone, welcome to part 2 of the Python tutorial for beginners. In this tutorial, we're going to be looking over variables and the input function. Now, you may be asking, what is a variable? Well, variables allow you to easily store data in the program that can be used later. Basically, if there is a number or a string or some sort of value that you want to be able to use later in the program, and possibly also a value that you want to be able to use multiple times easily in the program, a variable is what you want to use. Now, unlike some other programming languages like Java and C or C++, etc., Python is a dynamic programming language, meaning that you do not need to state the type of the data you're going to be storing in a variable. So in another language like Java, this would look something like int num equals 20. However, in Python, variables are declared simply by doing something like num equals 20. Just about any data type can be stored in a variable. So we'll do hello equals hello world. Now, from there, we are going to look at the input function. You'll learn more about functions as we go later along in the tutorial, but the input function is a powerful and easy to use function that can be found in Python. So we'll call this question set equal to input. What is your name? And add a space. Then we will do something like print. Now here I'm going to introduce another helpful concept in Python known as the f string. An f string is simply typing an f before your quotation marks, which is your string of text. And then if you want to reference a variable, you just put it in curly braces, like so. It's called question. And essentially what this will do is that it'll take input and store it in this question variable so that we can print it out later. We'll call this vars.py, save it here, and then we're going to go to the command prompt. Actually, there is a slightly easier way of going about this by simply going to File Explorer, going to the folder in which we want to execute our function. So it went to the documents, but I wanted it to go here, so I just type change directory python sudo, and from here we can run our python var.py. Oh, vars.py, my bad. And then we'll do rainy, hello rainy. Now variables can be changed, they can be reassigned, so essentially what we'll do here to show that is that we'll reassign the question variable from its input function to just name, a string. and then from there, we will rerun our command. Now we'll type rainy here, but it's going to say name because we reassign the variable later on in the program. That is about it for using the input function and getting an introduction to variables. As you can see, both of these, both the variables and the input function, can be extremely helpful in a lot of situations. And as you go further, variables especially will become an extremely important concept in not only Python, but virtually any modern programming language. I hope you enjoyed watching. This is Rainy VO, and I will see you next time. Bye bye.